From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. The US dollar has rallied slightly against the Canadian dollar in relatively quiet trading during the session on Thursday as we approach the 1.40 level, as well as the 200-day EMA and the 50-day EMA indicators. Because of this, I think we could have a real shot at having a significant breakout, which makes sense at the moment. After all, the US dollar was a bit sold off against the Canadian dollar in comparison to the overall trend, and we have bounced so far from the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. Remember, Canada still does not have a deal with the United States. That's a bad thing for Canada because something like 85% of all Canadian exports end up in the United States. So we have a situation where one of these countries will have to blink. Considering that the United States is essentially energy independent, it's probably Canada. So until they come to an agreement with the Americans, I think the Canadian dollar, Canadian assets, equities, etc., have to be looked at with a little bit of suspicion. If we can break above these moving averages, the 1.42 level could be your next target, right along with the 1.45 level after that. I would anticipate a lot of noisy trading, but I also anticipate that any sell-off at this point in time will more likely than not be thought of as a buying opportunity unless the US dollar itself ends up being in trouble against multiple currencies around the world, which you would see against the euro, the pound, the yen, etc.